Hey, what's up guys, it's Yuvachi over here, and today in this video we'll be having a face-off between the Samsung Galaxy S3 and the Galaxy Grand. So first of all, let's just go with the hardware comparison. So the Galaxy S3 comes with 4.8 inch screen, which is having a resolution of 720 by 1280, which gives a PPI of about 306, and the Galaxy Grand comes with a screen of 5 inch. As you can see, it's bigger than the Galaxy S3, and it is having a resolution of 480 by 800, which we see on the Galaxy S2, and it carries the PPI of 187. So let me just take off this flip cover and I'll keep it aside, and so you guys can see that the size of both these devices are almost same. It's just that the Galaxy Grand is a bit wider and a bit longer in height. So you guys can see that the Galaxy Grand is a 5 inch device and the Galaxy S3 is a 4.8 inch device. From the if you check the design, so both the devices are having almost similar design to each other, and we have much more curved edges on the Galaxy S3 rather than we see on the Galaxy Grand. It is much more similar to the Galaxy Note 2, which is a 5.5 inch device. We have the home button similar, and at the back you guys can see we have a 8 megapixel camera on the Galaxy Grand with LED flashlight, and on the left side we have the speaker, and same on the Galaxy S3 we have the 8 megapixel camera with LED flashlight on the left side, and on the right side we have the speaker. So you guys can see the speaker is much more bigger on the Galaxy Grand and it is smaller on the Galaxy S3, but still the Galaxy S3 gives much more louder sound than the Galaxy Grand. So this Galaxy Grand is a duo, so we have two SIM card slots on the Galaxy Grand. So first one is at the top and the second one is at the bottom, and the Galaxy S3 is also comes with a Duos version, which is released in China, Korea or China. So it is also having a two SIM card slot, but the one which I'm having is only having a one SIM card slot and memory card slot, which is expandable. On the Galaxy Grand we can also expand the memory card slot. It is below the battery. You guys can see it's over here. At the front we guys can see a 2.1 megapixel camera, front facing camera on both these devices with sensors beside the front facing camera, and nothing extra at all on both these devices. So at the top of both the devices we see on the left side we have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack with a primary microphone at the top of the Galaxy S3, which we can, and we don't see it on the Galaxy Grand. We don't have it at the top, and at the right side we have the power button, same we see on both the devices on the right side, and nothing on the Galaxy S3 and the Grand. At the bottom we see secondary microphone with the USB cable USB port, and on the Galaxy S3, and same on the Galaxy Grand at the middle, and on the right side we have the microphone, primary microphone, and on the left side we have the volume rocker over here. So guys can see that the Galaxy S3 is having two microphones while the Galaxy Grand is having only one microphone, so it makes a difference in the calling and everything, and the video recording, etc, etc. The Galaxy S3 is 8.6 millimeter thin, and the Galaxy Grand is just 1 millimeter thicker, that is 9.6 millimeter. So both these devices are different in processor terms. The Galaxy S3 is a quad core device and the Galaxy Grand is a dual core device. the Galaxy S3 is having a Exynos quad processor of 4412, while the Galaxy Grand is having the processor of dual core processor of Exynos, which is 4410, which we see on the Galaxy S2, if I'm correct. And both these devices are having equal RAM, that is 1 GB, and both these devices have one physical button and two capacitive touchscreen buttons. So guys, the Galaxy Grand is running the stock firmware of Galaxy of the Samsung, which we see preloaded on any device when we buy it, and the Galaxy S3 is running a custom ROM. So I won't be showing the full comparison like speed and all, because we guys can see that the Galaxy S3 is having quad core processor, while the Galaxy Grand is having a dual core processor. So I'll just do benchmark. I'll do a Antutu benchmark and a Epic Citadel benchmark, which I really love, which can't be hacked. It is made by Unreal Engine, and we see extremely good graphics. So we will be able to see what FPS, what graphics does the Grand gives in front of the Galaxy S3. So as I've said you guys earlier, I won't be showing all the application speed and all, but I'll be showing you the applications that remain unchanged after even if you install a custom ROM. So that is the camera application, because we have the same lens as of the Samsung. So we'll take a pic with flash and without flash on both these devices. So there we go. So this one was with flash on the Galaxy S3. And now let's take with Galaxy Grand without flash. Sorry, with flash. And there we go. So here we are. So if you focus on the object of which I've taken the pic, the object is much more deep in deep colors on the Galaxy S3 rather than we see on the Galaxy Grand. I think you won't be able to see it in the video, but still if you see it in front of your eyes, you guys can see a big difference in the camera also. So I can say that the Galaxy S3 is having much more better camera than the Galaxy Grand. Even the web camera on the Galaxy S3 is much more better than the Galaxy Grand. So now let's take a pic without flash, and now let's go back to camera. There we go. Now I'll just put it off, and there we go. And it was without flash on the Galaxy S3, now on Galaxy Grand. Okay, so same again, you guys can see, I think, clearly that the S3 is much more brighter, and the Galaxy Galaxy Grand looks dull. Image shows a dull image, as you can see. So here we have the Galaxy S3. And now let's go to the Galaxy Grand. You guys can see it, it is giving a dull image than the Galaxy S3. So and now you guys can see that the Galaxy S3 is having much more better camera with flash and without flash also. So let's just do the Antutu benchmark. I'll start the benchmark. There we go. Okay, so that was the previous score of mine and of Grand. So I'll go to the test and I'll start the test. And now, as you guys know that the Antutu takes some time to finish its test, so I'll just fast forward this portion and get to the result. So there we go guys, the test is complete, and we guys can see that the score of Galaxy S3 is 14,817 on a custom ROM, while the Galaxy Grand gives a 5,001 on its stock firmware, and if you see on the Galaxy S3 on the stock, it gives around only 14,000 to 15,000. So guys can see that there is a big difference in on both these devices. The Galaxy Grand is a dual core, Galaxy Core S3 is a quad core, but still there is a lot difference in the score, you guys can see. So here we go guys, the application is completed. I was downloaded on my Galaxy S3. Now let's just open both these applications, and there we go. So the Epic Citadel is powered by Unreal Engine, you guys can see. So we can't hack this benchmark to get more graphic, as we can hack the Antutu, Quadrant and other benchmarks that are available on the market. So let's go to settings. So I'll show you what all settings are set as default. So here we go. We have the performance set to high quality on both these devices. There we go. And resolution percentage is 100 on both these devices. Same. Now let's just go back and start the benchmark. So as Citadel also takes a lot of time, so I'll just fast forward this benchmark also to see which one is much better. So there we go, 1, 2, 3, go. So the benchmark is completed on both these devices, and we get a score of 28.1 on the Galaxy Grand, and you guys can see that the game is lagging, and you guys can see there's a graphic problem on the display of the Galaxy Grand. And the Galaxy S3 gives a FPS of 40.6, which is quite good as compared to the Grand. So guys, I can just conclude that the Galaxy Grand is nowhere to the Galaxy S3, as people out there just say that the Galaxy Grand is equal to the Galaxy S3. So here, this was a comparison for those guys who think that the Galaxy Grand is same as the Galaxy S3, but no. The Galaxy S3 is much more better than the Galaxy S3 and the Galaxy Grand, and the Galaxy Grand is nowhere the Galaxy S3. So hope you guys just enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video, where I'll be showing you a major thing, a major upgrade or a major thing to see before buying a new device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video.